Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Norfloxacin tablets. Norfloxacin is a powerful antibiotic designed to combat various bacterial infections throughout your body. It is frequently prescribed for conditions like urinary tract infections, prostate infections, and even some gastrointestinal issues. Remember, it's crucial to always adhere to your healthcare provider's precise instructions for taking this medication. For proper administration, the usual adult dose is one 400 milligram tablet, taken twice a day. It's essential to swallow the tablet whole with a full 8-ounce glass of water. To ensure optimal absorption, take Norfloxacin at least 1 hour before or 2 hours after a meal, milk, or any other dairy products. Also, remember to drink plenty of fluids throughout your treatment to stay well hydrated. When taking Norfloxacin, avoid certain interactions. Do not take antacids, iron supplements, zinc, or multivitamins within 2 hours before or after your Norfloxacin dose. It is vital to complete the full course of treatment, even if your symptoms improve, to prevent the infection from returning. This medication can also make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so protect yourself with sunscreen. Be mindful of potential dizziness, and avoid driving or operating machinery until you know how it affects you. It's important to know when to contact your doctor. If you experience any new or worsening tendon pain, swelling, or inflammation, seek medical advice right away. Also, contact your doctor immediately if you notice severe skin reactions, yellowing of your skin or eyes, or dark urine, as these could indicate serious issues. Report any numbness, tingling, or burning pain in your hands or feet. Lastly, if you develop persistent or severe diarrhea, particularly if it's bloody, consult your healthcare provider promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.